Iran was first to recognize Pakistan. Pakistan opened its first embassy in Iran. Egypt was first to open its embassy in Pakistan. Check. First Governor of State Bank Zahid Hussain. First Lady Governor Rana Liaquat Ali, Sindh, 1973 to 1976. First Lady Federal Minister Vikarun-Nisa Noor, Tourism. First state to join Pakistan was Bahawalpur, 1954. Pak, cricket team first visited England, Czech, India. First captain of cricket team Abdul Hafiz Kardar. First century Nazar Mohammed against India in 1954 in Lucknow. First woman university is located in Rawalpindi. First Governor of Punjab equals Francis Moody. First CM of Punjab equals Iftikhar Hussain Mamdot. First Governor of Sindh equals Ghulam Hussain Hyder Adalat. First CM of Sindh equals Ayub Khoro. First Governor of Baluchistan equals LT, General Riaz Hussain. First CM of Baluchistan equals Ataullah Mengal. First Chief Justice of Pak, Sir Abdur Rashid. First PM of Azad Kashmir equals Abdul Hamid Khan. First President of AJK equals Sardar Ibrahim Khan. First Commander-in-Chief of Pak Army was Frank Miservi. First Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee was General Maud Sarif. First Chief of Staff of Armed Forces was General Tika Khan. First Governor State Bank was Zahid Hussain. First daily newspaper is Amroz 1947. First Lady Pilot was Shukriya Khanum. First Museum of Pak established in Karachi in First Chief Election Commissioner of Pak, Mr. Khan F.M. Khan, March 25, 1956. Election Commission was created on March 23, 1956 under Article 137 of 1956 Constitution. First Muslim Commander-in-Chief of Pak, Ayub Khan. First radio station established was of Karachi. First TV station was set up at Lahore on Nov. 26, 1964. First Lady Major General in Pak, Dr. Shahida Malik. First space satellite was launched by Pak, in 1990. First private TV channel STN launched in 1990. First Chairman Senate was Habibullah Khan. First woman Judge of High Court, Majida Rizvi. First constructed barrage of Pak, Sucker Barrage. First Secretary General of Pak, Ch. Maud Ali. Agro Museum is at Lelpur. First biogas plant was installed in 1974. First woman bank established on Dis. 1, 1989. Badshahi Mosque built in 1670 AD. Designation of GG changed into President on March 23, 1956. Largest hockey stadium is National Hockey Stadium Lahore. First Minority Minister of Pak, Joginder Nath Mondal held the portfolio of law. First atomic reactor established in Islamabad in 1956. Check. Largest railway tunnel is Kojak. Smallest dam of Pak, Warsak Dam. Largest fort of Pak, Rani Kot. City Bank is the largest bank in the country, Czech. Habib Bank, Nishani Pak, is the highest civil award of Pak. Second highest civil award is Hilali Pak. Ayub National Park, Rawalpindi, is the largest park in Pakistan. Lahore Museum is the biggest in Pak, Czech. Largest railway station is Lahore. Highest pass is Mistog Pass, which connects Gilgit to Xinjiang. Largest cement plant is Lucky Cement Plant near Lucky Merwat. Largest road is Shara-e Pak, Shortest river is Ravi. Smallest division is Karachi. Largest division is Kalat. Largest division of Sindh is Tharparkar. Habib Bank Plaza Karachi has 23 stories, 345 feet, Minar-e-Pak, is 196 feet, 8 inches high. Pakistan has its longest boundary with Afghanistan. Pakistan is 34th largest country in the world, 6th population-wise. Smallest civil award is Tamki Khidmat. First census of Indo-Pak, 1881. Highest dam is Mangla Dam. Pak, expedition to Antarctica reached on January 5, 1991. Established Jinnah Research Station. Longest tenure as Governor-General was Ghulam Mohammed. Longest tenure as President was Ayub Khan. Longest period of rule was of Zia. Longest tenure as PM was of Liaquat Ali. Shortest tenure as PM of Ayub Khan, 3 days, then Shujaat Hussain, 47 days. Shortest tenure as President is of Bhutto. Shortest tenure as Governor-General is of Quaid. Longest tenure as Governor-General is of Ghulam Maud. Largest library is Quaid-e-Azam Library. Largest university is in Punjab. Oldest university is in Punjab. The only non-military Shaheed to receive Nishan-e-Haider was Suba Ida Lalak Jan. He belonged to NLI. Highest peak of Sulayman Mountains is Takht-e-Sulayman. Highest peak is K2, Goodwin Austin 5,611 meters. Second largest glacier of Pak is Bachara. Smallest city is Jhelum. Longest tunnel rail equals Kojak, 2.43 miles, Baluchistan. Road equals Lowry Tunnel, 5 miles. Water equals Warsak Dam Tunnel, 3.5 miles. Rainiest city is Rawalpindi. Rainiest place is Murray. First medical college was Nishtar Medical College. Smallest dam is Warsak Dam. Largest mountain range is Karakoram. First to receive Nishan-e-Haider was Maud, Sarwar Shaheed. First private airline of Pakistan is Hajvari. Pak's second largest city is Lahore. Abdur Rashid was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan. Zafar-ullah Khan was the first Foreign Minister of Pakistan. Keenyahar is the largest man-made lake in Pakistan. Manjur Lake is the biggest lake of Pakistan. Trikmere is the highest peak of Hindu Kush. Largest coal mine is in Quetta. In Pakistan, first woman bank was established in the year 1989. Pakistan's first geoscientific laboratory is functioning in Islamabad. The highest point of the Khyber Pass is Landi Kotal. The first atomic power station of Pakistan was installed in Karachi.